everybody, and welcome. Today I'm finally doing it, Kat. She has been wanting me to paint a CD for I don't know how long, so I went to Goodwill and I bought an old scratched up CD. I'm going to be painting this one, but first I want to get out my new tape dispenser from Diane. Thank you so much, Diane. I'm going to put it on the back of this CD, and then I'm going to spackle that hole in the center because I don't want the hole there. So let me get this thing all spackled and smooth, and then I'm going to put 2 coats of base paint on it. Then I'll show you what we're going to do. It's going to be so much fun. All right, that's looking pretty good. So now I want to show y'all something. I don't know if you're following NobleArts on Facebook and YouTube, but you need to. Y'all, this has been one of my favorite new groups to the dotting community, and you got to get over there. I'm telling you, there's some really helpful things over there, and watch their channel. It is so good. They put out this post about a mystery mandala. Y'all, I love a good mystery, and it caught my eye. So I kind of looked through it, and it gives you this set of instructions. You have to follow all the directions, and it looks like it leaves a little bit of room for your imagination to play. And she said that when you're all done, to submit it to her privately, and then she's going to make a video of everybody's submissions, and she's going to show off all the different variations. Y'all, I had to do it. So I messaged her over on Facebook and asked her if it was okay if I made a video on this, and she said sure. So I want to be sure that you guys go over to her channel, check out all of her videos, subscribe, and show her some support. But honestly, do yourself a favor, and on Facebook, if you're on Facebook, you have to go join her group and follow. There is some really good information over there. It's just a really good group, and I totally recommend it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to follow these directions as best I can. I've never been good at following directions, but I'm really going to try, and I'm going to see what I can do. Let's go. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm already laughing at myself because I'm looking at the directions and it's saying to place these 1.5 millimeter dots in the next row. And I'm like, okay, does she mean like that sacred geometry? And am I supposed to put them between the last two dots? Do I back them up to the last dots? Well, I don't know. And I guess this is how this is so much fun. Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a row. I'm going to go outside the next one. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm probably messing this whole thing up. Cross your fingers. Your girl is so lost already. Oh my gosh, it's the same thing. You guys, I need more instruction. Oh well, I'm just gonna go with what I started with and I'm gonna own it and keep making rows. But I don't know what kind of rows I'm supposed Y'all, this is so much fun. You've got to give these a try. Oh my gosh, a triangle. Does she mean a right side up triangle or an upside down triangle? Because I'm thinking an upside down triangle between each of the petals. Surely not, though. Anyway, I'm gonna go with the top of each petal. Ah, wish me luck. Okay, we can clearly see that that paint is not dry yet, and so I'm gonna have to wait on these top dots because I can already hear Jan in the comments going, girl, you know what I'm thinking. And yes, Jan, I know exactly what you're thinking. I'm weak. I'm so weak. I want to go, go, go. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for it all to dry, and then I'll come back and do these top dots. I'll erase the guidelines first, and then we'll top dot it. I think it's gonna be much easier now. Alright, you guys, I'm completely finished, and I have to admit, I totally love this. I'm not sure if I did it right or wrong, but it has to be right. I don't see how you can do it wrong. And that is the fun of this mystery challenge. And I can't wait to go over to NobleArts and watch the video to see everybody's mandala completed. I can't wait to see how they're all different and the different colors and the way you interpreted the instructions. She has already posted on her Facebook page the mystery challenge number 2, and she's given me full permission to make videos out of them. So you're gonna see some extra videos from me here and there on these because I had far more fun than I thought I would. Here's a link to her video. I want you to go see what everyone came up with. And until next time, rock on.